If you've ever used Google Keep, you probably know it's one of the simplest and most effective note-taking tools out there. But here's the catch. Google Keep doesn't actually have a built-in option to underline text. That can be frustrating when you're trying to highlight or emphasize something important in your notes. The good news? There's a super easy workaround, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to underline text in Google Keep. First, open Google Keep in your browser. You can do this by heading to Google's homepage, clicking on the Apps icon, the little grid of dots, and then selecting Google Keep from the menu. Once you're inside, open up the note where you'd like to add underlined text. Highlight the text you want to underline and copy it. Now here's where the trick comes in. Open a new browser tab and search for Underline Text, Y-E-A-Y text. That's a free online tool designed to style your text in different formats, including underline. Once you're on the site, you'll see a text box. Paste in the text you copied from Google Keep. Immediately, you'll see several formatting options show up, and one of them will be underlined text. Click the copy button next to the underlined version, then switch back to your Google Keep note. Place your cursor where you want the underlined text to appear, and paste it in. Just like that, your note now has underlined text, even though Google Keep itself doesn't officially support it. This method might take an extra couple of clicks, but it's quick, effective, and helps you make your notes stand out. Whether you're organizing study notes, work projects, or even just a grocery list, being able to emphasize key points with underlines can make your notes a lot more structured and easy to read. And that's all it takes. Now you know the simple hack for underlining text in Google Keep. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.